Hey Atlanta Middle School, it's that time of year again. Time for UIL. Are you ready to try out? Are you ready to win? Well, check out and see what's available for UIL this year. We have spelling. That's grades 6th, 7th, and 8th, and the coach is Mrs. Easley, and you can find her in room 231. The spelling team requires a lot of hard work, but it's tons of fun. They prepare by playing games, they have their own spelling bees, and they take tests to learn the correct spelling. The list consists of about 400 to 500 words. They meet in room 231, and if you're good at spelling, this might be the event for you. Maps, graphs, and charts. The coach is Mrs. Adams. This is for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. If you like to read maps, this might be for you. There's all kinds of maps out there that you'll cover. World maps, pie charts, bar charts, local area maps. You will get to use an atlas to locate information, and they meet in room 227. Dictionary skills is also coached by Mrs. Adams. That's for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. If you like to learn new words, this is a great way to do this. You get to use a dictionary, and there's a total of 40 questions within a 20-minute time period. All kinds of questions about the word origins, histories, parts of speech, etc. If you're good at looking things up in a dictionary, this is the event for you. Listening, grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. This coach is Mrs. Rutland in room 234. That's the end of the 8th grade hall. Are you a good listener? Can you listen and take good notes? Then listening might be for you. You will listen to a script ranging from about 7 to 10 minutes, and you'll take notes on it, and then you'll use your notes to answer 25 questions. Ready writing. The coach is Mrs. Stone in room 236. That's for grades 6, 7, and 8. Contestants are given a choice between two prompts, which defines the audience and provides the purpose for writing. And then you will write a paper about it. If you are good at writing, this is the event for you. Science, grades 7th and 8th. Go see Mrs. Walden in room 110. This is the end of the 6th grade hall. This contest involves recalling science facts. Everything from matter and energy all the way to the solar system. If you love science, go see Mrs. Walden. Chess. It's for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. The coach is Mr. Wyndham. This is room 211, end of 8th grade hall. This is a paper test using a pencil, and you have a series of chess boards with pieces in particular positions. Then the questions are based on analysis of material or possible moves in each diagram. Music memory. This is for 6th grade only. The coach is Mrs. Adams. This is the one that's in the office. You're going to listen to approximately 20 seconds of up to 20 musical selections and then identify the name, the selection, and then the name of the composer. Oral reading. This is for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. The coach is Mrs. Murphy. That's room 108 in the 6th grade hall. If you like to read aloud to others or you enjoy speaking in front of an audience, this is for you. You will have a published piece that you will read in front of a judge. Each prose will be less than 6 minutes long. Art memory. This is for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. Go see Mrs. Wall in room 237. Editorial writing. Coach, Mrs. Stone. This is room 236. This is for grades 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. You will write a persuasive writing paper. You have 45 minutes in which to complete your editorial. If you like to write and you're a very persuasive person, this event might be for you. Social studies, grades 6th, 7th, and 8th. Coach is Mr. Harris, and he's in room 213 in the science wing. And this test is made up from 3 different topics. 60% of the test about the United States, 25 to 30% of the test are on world topics, 10 to 15% of the test are over Texas government, citizenship, and culture. Number sense. The coach is Mrs. Hogue, and she's in room 212. If math is your thing, then you need to check this out. Lots of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Students will be given a 10-minute fill-in-the-blank test, which you must complete without doing calculations on paper or calculator. It means everything has to be calculated in your head. If you're a super math person, this is for you. General math. Also coach is Mrs. Hogue. Another thing that has to do with math, but it's all for all grades, 6th, 7th, and 8th, and there's 50 multiple choice problems. Calculator applications. It's grades 6th, 7th, and 8th, and the coach is Mr. Shirley, and you can find him in room 100. Impromptu speaking. Coach is Mrs. Howard, and she's in room 222. If you like to talk a lot and you're good at making up stories, then this is the event for you. You'll draw 3 topics and you'll pick one to talk about. And you have 3 minutes to prepare a speech, but you cannot use your notes during the speech, and you'll give your speech in front of 2 to 3 judges. New this year is the one-act play. How exciting is that? We'll be putting a cast together for this event, so keep your eye out because there's more information coming soon. All right, which UIL event is for you? Don't forget to check out these great events and help support Atlanta Middle School.